Predicting which talent pools will activate is one of the most contentious issues in talent acquisition today. Many teams rely on gut feelings or outdated data, leading to inconsistent results. In this video, I'll demonstrate how PredictActivation uses a data-driven approach to give you reliable forecasts so you can optimize your recruitment strategies. Let's start with the context. Why is predicting talent activation so problematic? At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. In the talent org industry, the landscape is constantly shifting. Market conditions fluctuate, candidate preferences evolve, and role requirements change. Traditional tools use static historical averages, which don't capture these dynamics. As a result, talent acquisition teams waste resources on campaigns that yield low engagement and miss out on high-potential candidates who are ready to activate. The real challenge is to adapt quickly and accurately in a volatile environment. Now, on to the technical method. PredictActivation employs a scientific framework based on machine learning and real-time analytics. We collect data from multiple sources: market intelligence feeds, your internal ATS and CRM systems, and engagement metrics from past campaigns. The key concepts include dynamic weighting of factors, where variables like time since last engagement, market demand, and role specificity are adjusted based on current conditions. This is crucial because a common misconception is that prediction is simply extrapolating from past behavior. Instead, we model the probability of activation given the present context, which includes external factors like economic trends and internal factors like campaign timing. The software solution is where this all comes together. PredictActivation seamlessly integrates with your existing talent technology stack. It ingests data continuously, establishing baselines for each talent pool. These baselines are not static. They update as new data comes in. The core calculation involves generating activation likelihood scores for specific roles or initiatives. For example, if you're launching a campaign for software engineers, the software will score different talent pools based on their predicted response rates. Additionally, every prediction is accompanied by an audit trail that logs all data points and calculations, ensuring transparency and compliance. You can also use scenario modeling to test hypothetical campaigns. Want to know what happens if you target a different region or adjust the messaging? PredictActivation allows you to simulate these scenarios and see the potential outcomes before you spend a dime. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example to make this concrete. Suppose your organization is expanding into a new market and needs to hire data scientists. You have two talent pools: one with experienced candidates from traditional industries and another with recent graduates from top universities. Using PredictActivation, you input variables like the current job market saturation for data scientists, the average response rate from similar past outreaches, and the specific skills required. The software might reveal that the experienced pool has a lower activation likelihood due to high competition from other companies, while the graduate pool shows high potential because of their alignment with emerging technologies. By shifting your focus to the graduate pool, you can allocate your budget more effectively and increase your chances of successful hires. When it comes to compliance and reporting, PredictActivation generates detailed yet understandable reports. These reports translate complex data into actionable insights for stakeholders, such as hiring managers and executives. They include explanations of the prediction models, data sources, and confidence intervals, all structured to meet regulatory standards for data privacy and usage. This ensures that you can communicate your strategies with confidence and maintain audit readiness. In closing, PredictActivation empowers talent acquisition teams to make smarter, data-backed decisions. By accurately forecasting activation likelihood, you reduce waste, improve ROI, and capture opportunities that would otherwise be missed. To see how PredictActivation can transform your talent outreach,